When a real one hold you down, babe, you supposed to drown. You ain't no fuck with no boss, bitch, I turned you out. You won't catch me in no shark boots, I burnt them out. Bitch, you gotta wait till their birthday to go out of town, broken. Yeah, I talk a lot of shit. He like who you think you is, nigga, not your bitch. Broken. Nigga, not your hoe. Think he got one up on me, whole tiny shit like 3 and 0 twin. Bitch, I be going in. Bitches clearly want my life and it's so evident.
What's poppin', y'all? It's your girl Team Stacy and I'm back. Baby, I said I'm back with another YouTube video. And if you are new to my channel, hello. But if you're a returning subscriber, what's up, my girl?
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year only.
Happy 2025. Okay, you made it to another year. And if I don't know nothing, I do know that that is such an accomplishment, okay? Because sometimes the years get so hard, we want to give up, and there's a lot of people that did not make it to this year. You made the cuts, you're on the list, and give yourself a round of applause. I'm happy that you're here. In today's video, we are doing yet another makeup tutorial. I feel like with my content this year, I'm definitely going to be trying some new things, so please stay tuned for this. Like, I'm super excited. This is my traditional content. I think with my makeup tutorials, there's just going to be a couple of new flares with it, but for the most part, I want to keep it simplistic, easy to follow, step by step, and majority beginner friendly and affordable. But in my other videos, you guys are going to see the different things I have cooking up, okay? So in today's video, I wanted to show you guys just a natural makeup look, just using a few new products like the MAKIAGE new primer, trying out just different variants of the products that I do have. Now in the comments, I want you guys to stay in the comments of things that you guys want to see from me in 2025. That does not have to just be makeup related. It could be lifestyle, vlogging content, things you want me to review, things you want me to try, places you want me to go to, whatever the case may be. I'm all ears and I'm just so open to hear what you guys want. This channel is for you, so let me just bring it to you, my girl, okay? Alrighty guys, so let's go ahead and just get into the video. Okay, my love, so this is what the face is looking like. Very natural, but let's go ahead and beat it. So first step is skincare. If you are skipping your skin prep when it comes to your makeup, the MAKIAGE Power Lift is for you. So this is a 2-in-1. This serves as a moisturizer and a primer, and it has anti-aging properties. It just helps make the skin look more plump, and it just feels so good on my skin. I literally could wear this alone. It really has me have that healthy, juicy glow, okay? After we rub this into the skin, we're gonna jump straight into our foundation. This is the NARS Soft Matte Foundation, and this is in shade Tahoe, which is literally a perfect match for me. I love this foundation. It's full coverage and the finish is matte. It literally lasts so long on the skin and it gives you that skin-like finish. If you have not tried this foundation, definitely give it a try. Now, this is an honorable mention. I'll be blending out my face products with the Killa Cosmetics makeup brushes. So this is their foundation brush. It's a kabuki brush, and when I tell you, the way it's angled and it blends out my makeup, it is literally killer. I love it so freaking much. It gets the job done like no tomorrow, girl. I'm telling you. Next up, we have an oldie but a goldie. This is the black Opal foundation stick, and I use shade Hazelnut. This is something that is not leaving my side in 2025. I literally love this contour stick. I feel like they offer such amazing shades. I'm also a makeup artist, and I like to use these for my clients as well. Even though they're contour sticks, or not even contour, they're foundation sticks, but the undertones are very bronzy, and I love a good bronzing shade. This literally blends out like no other. It is amazing, amazing. This has went viral years and years ago, but if you haven't tried it, this is your sign to try it, because I literally live by it, and I think it retails for about $11 to like $15. You can get it from Walmart, Walgreens, Ulta. Girl, it's that girl. Don't say I ain't put you on, girl. So for concealer, we have another oldie but goldie. This is a Shape Tape by Tarte, and this is in medium sand. Now this shade is very light for me, but I love it. It gives you that highlighting effect that you're going for. Also full coverage. I see why the girls were in a frenzy years ago. This is still that girl. After you snatch that face with that contour stick, you want to go back in and highlight and just bring the focal points to the center of your beautiful face. This is literally a must-have. Now we're back in with the Killer Cosmetics makeup brush. Like I said, I love it. This is a smaller one, which I use to blend out my concealer, and it blends out so well. Not only does the concealer do this job blending, but the brush helps out as well. So definitely check out Killer Cosmetics. She is that girl and then some, okay? So here we have an alternative, a dupe for the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. This is the e.l.f. Camo Concealer Hydrating Formula, and I love it so much. I'm using shade Medium Tan, and it has like this yellow undertone, which helps tone down the brightness of my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. So I'm just going back in with the Killer Cosmetics brush, and I'm blending it out, and it really just gives me that perfect look that I'm going for. Girls, I am telling you, your must-haves for 2025, things that are not leaving my side. And when I tell you, this is my girl, okay, that e.l.f. Camo Concealer. So now I'm just going to go back in with the brush that I used to blend out my contour, and we are just going to blend the edges of the concealer in with the concealer and contour. Now we're gonna take my favorite of all time, the Juvias Place Liquid Blush. This is in shade Marigold, which is like this kind of like orangey peachy tone liquid blush, and we're just gonna blend her out. We don't put too much because you know she is very much pigmented. After we blend her out, we are going to jump into setting the face. So I'm using the Revolutions setting powder. This is the In Real Life Filter setting powder. Got this from Ulta not too long ago. I'm still getting acquainted to it. This is the translucent one, and it's very, very ice white, which it does run the risk of giving you a flashback if you are more tan than me. So I go very, very light-handed with it, but besides that, it sets my face and my under eyes very, very well. It gives very airbrush. Now this is part of the Lancome's mascara collection. They did go ahead and send me their gift set, and I've been using it ever since. So it comes with like this white mascara, which is kind of like a primer, and it helps make your lashes look longer, fuller, and thicker. So what I'm doing is I'm applying this white mascara to the top and the bottom of my lashes. I wear a lot of false lashes, and I also get my individuals done, so I don't really have that much lashes. But if you have more lashes than me, you will definitely see a very, very big difference. I can see a difference with my little baby lashes. So this is what it looks like when I put that white mascara on, but now we're gonna put the top coat, which is gonna be the traditional black mascara, and it literally gives my eyes such a beautiful effect. It lifts, it makes my eyes look more wide, awake, and it just looks really, really good. So this is what I'm doing. We're just adding our mascara. I'm still gonna go ahead and throw on my falsies, but you know, it's a new year. I need to let go of the falsies for a little bit, but I can't. Next up, we're going to jump into our lips. I'm going to be using the Kiss Professionals, and this is in Coffee Brown. I got this from a beauty supply store. I love any good dark brown lip liner, but we're going to go ahead and just line my lips. Even though my lips are big and juicy, I am going to overline it a little bit more. Okay, if you are not overlining your lips, then what are you doing? The next time you do your makeup, try overlining your lips, and you're going to see a big, big difference. I know a lot of people struggle with lining their lips, so just take your time, fold your lips in half where you can see the line better. Then, you know, just move it around so you can get in there properly. Next up, I'm going to take the Jacklyn Hill Cosmetics liquid lipstick, and this is in shade Nudie. This is just a very, very bright nude that I'm using for my inner portion of my lips, and I'm just taking my finger to blend out the edges so the edge of the liner blends in with the liquid, you know, lipstick. Now I'm popping on my favorite lashes. They are going to be linked down below in the description box in my Amazon storefront. When I tell you I'm obsessed with these lashes, girl, like, you have to get these lashes. If you were individuals, this is going to be a great lash set to kind of get you in when you need a fill, and just in general, it looks so good on almost everyone. Next up, a setting spray. I'm going to take the NYX The Face Glue. I've been using this lately instead of my other ones, and honestly, I really like it. I think they're all great. This is just another great affordable option, and this is what the face is giving. Oh my gosh, you cannot tell me this is not that, girl. Like, it gives so effortless. It gives, I don't have to try too hard, but it gives that, girl. This is date friendly, first date friendly, going out with the girls friendly, putting on that fit friendly, going to the club friendly. This is that, girl, and then some. It's giving very much welcome to 2025 with the baddest of the baddest, okay, period. Okay, my love, so that's the end of today's video. This is the final look. As you guys can see, super pretty, super skin-like, super natural. Everything just looks super good. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, okay? Like this video. That is how I know this is the type of content you guys want to see from me. Go ahead, just join the team. Do it like Nike by subscribing to my channel, okay? That is how I know you are gang, you locked in, we fully loaded, and we're just gonna conquer the year together. Also, go ahead and comment down below this right here. This is our secret code, okay? This is the code that I know you is one of the girls, okay? You watch my videos all the way through, and I have to give you your big love for that one. I love you guys so freaking much. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like I said. Follow me on all my social networks, and I cannot wait to see you guys in my next video. I love you. Bye, guys.